Here are some highlights from the February issue of Onsite Installer. If you've ever had to anchor a dozer to a hilltop just to keep your mini excavator from sliding down a mountain, you'll relate to this one. The team at Tidy Excavation doesn't shy away from the technical stuff, from 200-foot pumps to adrenaline junkie installs. We're breaking down their latest brewery project in the new Onsite Installer. Fixed film, suspended growth, or MBR. Choosing the right ATU means balancing treatment capacity against electrical consumption and maintenance. We're going under the hood of secondary pre-treatment to help you spec the best system for your customers. No infrastructure records, a 1960s tank buried 10 feet deep, and a failing system facing government fines. See how James Stixma and the Canadian septic team used cameras and grit to unbury a massive 9,600-gallon-per-day solution in British Columbia. When a multi-million-dollar lakefront property couldn't fit a standard mound system, Colin Smith turned to a biobarrier MBR to save the backyard view. Meet Colin and the team at Smith Septic in the latest Onsite Installer. From Florida to California, new septic rules are hitting the books, and they're bringing millions in grant money with them. With the Zoller Pivot Pack IS, you can turn a standard panel into a Class 1 Div 1 ready system post-installation. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.